Today we are going to interface LCD with 8051. This is a code for interfacing of 8051. Here the commands that we are using are 380E16. This command are for 38 for 2 line and 5 into 7 matrix. 0E is for display on cursor blinking. 01 is for clear the screen, and 06 is for increment the cursor. All these are the commands which are mandatory to give your LCD for initializing purpose. Here we are using the functions acall command and acall delay. As 38, 0E, 1 and 06 are commands, so we have to write a command routine for them, and sub delay should be there for O not should be overwriting should be there, so that is happening in this. We are going to see further. Now we have to display data, so we are going to display move AH. One by one we are displaying a value. First EH, ELLO. You can display anything. The range is decided as 2 by 16. First line should has a 16 character and second line has 16 character. For this we are using a different, this is data. This is data, we have to write a separate routine. As there are two things in LCD, data and command. That's why we have to write an LCD as well as data routine. On data routine, we are writing, first of all, A should be given to P0. Now here, this is your data. That's why your RS pin should be set. Your RS should be set, it is 1. And as you are writing on your LCD, so the condition is for RW bar is 0. You have to clear for writing, and as you are writing at that time enable is high to low, and you have to written from this routine. And there is a common function delay. This is for generating some delay. As you are aware of this routine, there is the same routine you have to follow. Put some value in R2 register. If you want to increase more time, if time is not sufficient, we are writing one more loop to an Rn1. Then one by one we are going to decrement first this R1, then we are going to decrement this R2. So this will be done. Delay time is being generated. This is the overall in this PPT, means in this programming of LCD. And the further I have attached the output of in the further PPT, and the output has been shown on the video. Thank you. Output for LCD display. Here we have to connect two connection for LCD. One is command, this is for command port, and this is for data port. Here we have connect a command code port to port 0 and data port to port 2, and we have printed given the message hello, then it is showing on the LCD. Okay.